Guys, it's Natalie again, and today we're showing you how to do awesome slime. So this is how the slimes look. It's nice smell and it's also stretchy and nice. So let's get started. So what we need is persil. We need white glue. We need 2 plates. We need 2 spoons, and we need food coloring, and we need the dropper. So let's do the slime. So first we're gonna get the first plate. So if you want, you can do 1 slime. Well, today I want to do slime, 2 slimes. So first we're gonna put the glue in. Now we're going to put the glue in. Now we're going to put here. So you can put how much glue you want. I'm going to put a little bit here, the rest. Now we're gonna put a little persil. So make sure to put a little bit, not a lot of persil. And now we're going to start by mixing it up. You see it's starting to stick together and be slime. I think we need to put more persil. I think that's a lot and enough. So I put it more because it was not yet sticking together. So stick all this glue here. And now we're gonna put food coloring. First, we're gonna need yellow first. We're gonna put yellow. Drop 1. Here we go. We're just gonna drop 1 drop. Now we're gonna mix all the colors. So I mixed it with the spoon because I don't want my hands to get. First, your hands is gonna get like color because it will like stick, and the color is not yet stick to the slime. After mixing it, it's gonna be like this, stretchy and nice. Now we can do the next slime. Let's put that here. Move it. Okay, now we're back to next slime. We're gonna put persil. Little persil. It's enough. Now we're gonna just start by stirring and stirring. Stir and stir. stir and stir and stir and stir. Now we're going to put the food coloring. Now we're going to stir and stir and stir. When you're done with the plate, you can mix it with your hands. Now, if you like my video, please like and subscribe. Bye!